How to add automated subtitles on a video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the video editing application. I am using CapCut here. Here simply create a new project. Once you do, you can see different options. Go to text, go to auto caption option. Now here in the template, simply choose the one which you like. After you have chosen, simply click on generate at the bottom. Now automatically the caption in the video will be created. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to create automatic caption for a video on CapCut. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.